Okay, we are live. Um, let's see here. Oh, let me click. See, this is perfect. It popped up. Share this out. Okay. Oh, where's my cell phone? Okay, let's see here. That's my cell phone. And wait, I have one. Oh, I have two viewers. Hey guys, this is Mrs. Taylor. Put a comment there. I don't know who this is. I don't know who's on. Y'all put in a comment, please. I'm nervous. I'm doing this. I'm stepping out on faith. But I believe there's some people out there in the Facebook world that need some help with some math. So I am here to offer my services. Okay? So, y'all, I'm trying to share this and I'm having problems because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I lost somebody already. Gone already. God, it was like, nah, we're not having it. How do I share? Oh my goodness. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go right here. And I'm gonna share the share. Okay. How do I share? Okay, let's do some math problems. I don't know who's gonna log on. I don't know if anybody's gonna log on. But you know what? I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna do some math. And you guys can text me a problem, text me a picture of your math problem or anything. Just, I'm just gonna do some math. So let's start easy. Let's start with some fractions. Let's see. I'm just gonna do some work. Who's with me? Who's with me? Who's with me? Class is in session. Let's just do 1/5 plus 3/4. Let's see. We gotta find us a common denominator. So let's find that. So we say 5. 5. Look, I'm messing up already. That's okay. Beginners, this is my first time. So y'all gonna bear with me. 10, 15, 20, 25, count by 5, and so on. Then I'm count by 4, it's 4, 8. What is it? 12? 16, 20, and so on. So the common denominator here is going to be 20. It's going to be my common denominator. Or the least common denominator. That's what they like to call it, right? So let's change our fraction. So let me see here. Need to give myself some space and change my ink. So I have we got 1/5, and we need to make sure that this denominator is a 20. So we're gonna multiply 5 times 4. How did I get 4? Because it took me 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to 20. And so if I do it to my denominator, we got to use the proper vocabulary. I need to do it to my numerator as well. So times 4 here. So I'm going to change 1/5 to 4 over 20. Now let's change the 3/4. So we have 3/4. And I want to make my denominator a 20. So what times 4 gets me 20 is going to be 4 times 5. And then 3 times 5. And so I have 15 over 20 here. So let's go back. Let's add these up. 4 over 20 plus 15 over 20. And that's going to get me, if you don't know what to do, you're adding your numerators. You do not add your denominators, okay? Leave that the same. That's going to get you 19 over 20. So that's your answer there. Now let's take the same 2 fractions and let's just multiply. Just for the heck of it. Let's just do it. So let's do a whole different problem. So with this, I could say 1/5 times 3/4. Now with multiplying, you do something a little different. You're going to multiply the numerators and then you're going to multiply your denominators. So it's going to be 1 times 3 over 5 times 4. And we get 3 over 20. And we are done. Go ahead, guys. If you got a comment, please comment. Let me know you are here. Just say hi. You don't have to put anything special. Just say, hey, Kim. How you doing, Kim? You know, I just want to know who's here. I'm just doing this, guys. You know, if your kids need help with some math, tonight is the night. Go get them. Be like, get on this live and get you some help, baby. Get you some help. Because, you know, math tutors are not cheap, honey. So if y'all need some help, y'all go get all them children and be like, you know you struggling in algebra. Come on over here and get you some help. Miss Taylor on live. She on the live. She going to help you out. You can text your name and your math problem to 407-801-9255. I can help you out with your math. As long as it's like, I do K through 8 math, pre-algebra, algebra 1, and geometry. I'm not real comfortable in all the other ones because I don't really do them a lot. But hey, I could try. I ain't gonna really turn nobody down. Okay? So let's see. Let's do another problem. Let's do some algebra. Yeah? Let's do some algebra. Let's go to another slide. Let's do easy algebra. Let's do, let's solve an equation. Yeah? No. Maybe I should do order of operations.
Lee, what's that?
Oh my goodness. Y'all in the background, that's my daughter, Kenise. She's supposed to be my assistant tonight. So, yeah, child, I'm doing the doggone thing. Thank y'all for the people who are sharing my video. Thank you so much. This is me stepping out on faith doing something. I always get people who ask me, can I tutor them? And it's kind of hard to tutor when you got a family and you got to feed them and stuff. But hey, we can do this thing online. We can do this online and I am live. So if you need some help, let me know and I will help you out to the best of my ability. Okay? Did anybody comment? Can I get one comment? Just somebody to say hi. I only got one person looking now. Okay. Let's see. Let's find some order of operation around here. Let's see what we can find. If you need some math help, let me know. I can help you out.
No.
I might not get no on here tonight. Okay? It's all good. It is all good. That's right. Miss Taylor is live. Class is in session. You need some help with that math. Let me know. I am here. I am available to you tonight. I know some folks out there, they be struggling. I mean, so many people say, I hate math, but I love math.
I like math.
You like math?
No.
Oh, my goodness. You're my child. You're supposed to love math.
I don't like math. My favorite subject is art.
Oh,
not
goodness.
art. It's only writing.
Math is art.
Uh-uh.
Let's do some algebra. Let's solve for x.
What's that?
This is
What
solving.
number?
This is solving a two-step equation. Solving a two-step equation. So let's see. We have 4x minus 6 is equal to 15. So we can do the inverse operation of subtraction and call it addition. Add 6 to both sides. Somebody watching like, oh, I remember how to do this. I bet you that's what you're saying.
No.
Over here, we get a 0 pair. So, and now I'm going to have 4x is equal to 21. So let's divide both sides by 4. And we're going to leave that just like that. Okay? 21 over 4. Or I could, now I really could change this to a mixed number. Because right now this is an improper fraction. So all y'all got that, have to know that proper vocabulary. This is an improper fraction. So the improper fraction can be switched around to, let me do some division. Let me show you how. You have 4 into 21. How many times does 4 go into 21? That's going to be 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And let's subtract 21 minus 20, and you get 1. Now, how do you arrange this to be a mixed number? So the 5 is going to be the whole number part of your mixed number. So I'm going to put whole number next to the 5. The 1 is going to be your numerator. And the 4 is going to be your denominator. So let's rearrange this to 5 and 1/4. And again, this is what we call a mixed number. Okay. Let's see, what else? What did we do now? Let's do some, should we do some order of operations?
What's that?
What's that?
I'm in 3rd grade.
You're in 3rd grade.
Not 8.
You really need to step it up, little girl. You need to step it up.
I'm in 8th
So let's do an order of operations. Y'all remember order of operations? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's what y'all used to like to say. So it is. It's a please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
My name is Camille.
So I'm going to circle these two, multiplication and division, because that's something special. But the first part is going to be parentheses. Parentheses. Or, parentheses can also be, you have parentheses, but we also could use square brackets. I've even seen it. I don't know what these are called. I can't even draw it that well. But it's like the things like this. I've seen that in math problems. So it's just a variety of things you can do. But as long as you have an enclosure or something like that, you got to handle that first. So then you have exponents. So we have our exponents there, and then we have multiplication and division. Now we read this from left to right. So whichever comes first, that's what we do first. It's so funny because I see people on Facebook all the time saying, we are arguing about this order of operations problem. Honey, it ain't number one order. Now you got to put it in the right order. Now y'all get these wrong answers. Child, No. Get this. Then we have addition and subtraction. And again, you have to read this from left to right. Okay, let's try a problem. Let's try one. You know what? Let's do one with a bunch of brackets so you can understand what I mean. Okay, so let's do, let me change colors. 3 plus, and let's put a square bracket here. 6, 11 plus 1 minus 4, close parentheses, close square bracket, divided by 8 times 2. Okay? So what we can do first is we're going to always handle what's on the inside first. Your innermost bracket. And my innermost bracket is dealing with the 11 plus 1 minus 4. So when I handle this, I say, well, 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. So I'm going to rewrite the entire problem again. It's always wise to rewrite your entire problem. That way you can keep your steps under control, or you keep track of what you're doing, because you don't want to be like lost. Okay? So now I'm still working inside my brackets or parentheses. Do your innermost bracket. So now I need to multiply the 6 times the 8. So now I am here. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is going to get me 48. So I have 3. And at this point, I can take it out of the brackets because I've already handled the situation. So it's going to be 3 plus 48 divided by 8 times 2. So now I can keep going. Now look at this. We have a plus sign. We got a division sign. We have multiplication. So we can we got to do this one here. Multiplication and division. Remember, we're reading from left to right. So which came first? Did multiplication come first, or did division come? Did division come first? In this case, we have division first. So I need to handle the 48 divided by 8. So we have 3 plus 6 times 2. And again, you got to do multiplication before you can do addition. So we're going to multiply the 6 times the 2, and we get 3 plus 12. And then our final answer is going to be 15. All that work for 15. All right. Again, if you have a math problem that you would like for me to help you with, or you want me to work it out, you can text me. Text me your name and your question. I will do it live tonight, online for you. Text me at 407-801-9255. You can also find me on YouTube. I do some tutorials online, so you can go over there and subscribe to my channel. And I try to put out videos. I'm working on it. It's small right now, but that's okay. I have things that I'm going to be doing for folks who need some help. Just let me know. Let me know, and I will help you out. Let's do another order of operations, but this time let's put some different signs in there. Some integers or something. Let's spruce it up. Let's start real easy, because I think a lot of people struggle with integers, and that is a problem, I know, in some schools. So let's say we have 7 plus -6 times 2. All right, so in this one, of course, we're going to start off with parentheses. So we're going to do -6 times 2. I do that first. -6 times 2. I am going to get 7 plus negative 12. So now you have to do 7 plus negative 12. Well, hopefully you know that rule. So here's the rule. They are different signs, so I'm going to add them together. I'm going to subtract them, sorry, even though it says addition. But you really are going to subtract them. Ooh, what was that? Sorry. So I'm really going to subtract. So I'm going to do 12 minus 7, and that's going to get me 5. But, and I'm putting but. The answer is going to be negative because the 12 has the highest absolute value. Do y'all remember absolute value? Absolute value. It has the absolute value. So, negative 12, that's how you write absolute value. The absolute value of negative 12 is 12, and the absolute value of 7 is 7. So I'm going to pick this one because that's the bigger number. But what is the sign of the bigger number? It is a negative, so my answer is going to be negative. So this is going to be negative 5. Okay? So hey out there in YouTube, what is this? Facebook world. Hey, I'm live. If y'all need some help on this math, let me know.
Somebody can say hello.
Oh, can somebody say hello? Just say hi in the comments.
I feel lonely.
You feel lonely? Look, it's okay. I understand folks don't want to speak. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It is all good. But hey, I'm here if you need me. I always get people always ask, oh, are you tutoring? Well, today I'm doing it for free. I'm online. I'm here for you. I am here for you if you need some help. If your child needs some help, your baby girl, your baby boy, we want to help them out before those report cards come out now, don't we? We want to help them out before that happens. We don't want to wait too late and be like, oh my goodness, my baby needs some help in math. And you got some free help online tonight. Tonight, I am here for you. I am here for you, for your baby girl, your baby boy. Because, ooh, it could get real difficult. Let's do another problem. Let's look at the color. I want a little pink in my life. Let's try that.
No.
Let's see here.
No.
So we got 3 times 5 squared divided by 15 minus 5 minus 2 squared. Okay, so here we go, and do the parentheses first, inside the parentheses. So this first set of parentheses, I'm going to handle the exponent first. Let me underline that. So I'm going to handle this exponent first. So what is 5 squared? 5 squared is 25. So we say 3 times 25 divided by 15. And then in this set of parentheses over here, I'm going to handle the 2 squared. So I'm going to get 5 minus 4. Okay, so then let's keep it moving on the second line inside the parentheses. The first set, we have multiplication operation, and we also have division. But we read it from left to right, so I'm going to do multiplication first. So here I go. And that's going to get me 75. 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 15. In my second set of parentheses, I could just go ahead and just say 5 minus 4, and that's going to give me 1. Now let's keep going, and 75 divided by 15 is getting me, what's that, 5? Yep, it's 5. 75 divided by 15. She said, why is it 5? Well, I'm going to do it for my baby because she want to know why it's 5. So let me erase this part over here so I can have a little bit more room.
I love it.
It's okay, baby. It's okay because you got to learn this one day. You might as well learn it today. Okay. Let's go to the side and write this. So she wants to know, why is this portion right here, why is that 5? So we can write this as 75 divided by 15. I can write it like that. Okay. So I'm going to do division. 15 goes into 75. This is where you have to know your multiplication. Be like, oh my goodness. Still learning, okay? So back in the day, we used to do it like this. And some people probably still do it this way. We used to say 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is, this is how we used to do it back in the day.
Wait, is there a P addition but repeated multiplication?
I guess, I don't know.
You're repeating.
Oh yeah, I am repeating, but I don't know them new terms, girl. I'm from the old school.
Aha.
This old school right here, okay?
Wow.
Old school. One time for the old school people.
No.
So this is what we used to do. We used to multiply 15 times the number till we got to either the number 75 or something that was close to it. Okay? So
Can I start to say hi? I feel lonely.
are the comments, I don't know how to do this. Look, this is my first time. You know, the comments could very well be on. Hold on, let me go over here. Wait, let's see. Let's see here. Oh, Sierra said she had a question. Oh, I don't see the comments. Oh, I'm so special. Hey, Sierra, I don't know how to look at my comments, y'all, and be on the live.
Comments.
I just don't know how to do this.
I want to try. I check.
But why is it that I don't see the comments on here? Hold on. You know what? I think you have to.
Press comment.
Let's see here. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I don't know how you can see live comments because there was a comment. Hey Sierra, she probably gone now. Oh well, I have to let me just keep going. Okay, so I have to watch somebody else do it live. So how many times does 15 go into 75? If you look, it says 15 times 5. So I'm going to put a 5 up here, and 15 times 5 is 75.
So knowledge in one head.
What?
So much knowledge in one head.
Whatever. So anyway, you just have to do division. That's how I know that it is 75 divided by 15 is 5. And then you subtract your 1. Let's go back over this. We're back over here now. So we're back. So 5 minus 1 is going to be 4. Whatever. Oh, so you know that. You didn't know the other part.
No, I'm not from the other.
Okay. So we are, again, if you need some help, you want your child to get, you can text me real quick. How can I message? I can type. Oh, I can just type here. Okay. Hey. Wait, it didn't type. Uh-oh. What happened?
I want to try.
No. Wait, I'm back. Oh, okay. That was me. Sorry about that. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
So, hey, Sierra. You're like, hello. You know what you're doing. I don't.
And
I don't know what I'm doing with this line, but I do know how to do some math. If you need some help tonight, text me. Text your girl at 478019255. Hit me up. Let me help you out. You need some help with your math tonight? Go find your baby boy, your baby girl. Okay, I think it's gonna come back. Oh, see, it's a delay. It's a delay, a delay, a
What's
delay.
a delay? Can you go back to the video?
Huh? Oh, you know what? I probably should do that. Because I keep messing up.
Keep delaying.
Let's do an inequality. Y'all remember inequality?
What's that?
Inequality.
I want to ask you a question.
So let's see. Let's read. Y'all remember inequalities?
No.
Let's switch our color up. Let's see. Let's go in the blue
That one.
world.
That one.
Oh, that one looks cute. Let's do that one.
that one here.
This one. Okay, let's do
No.
this one here?
No. Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this problem. Let's solve this inequality. So we have 2 times x plus 2 is less than or equal to x minus 5. Y'all remember inequalities? Yep.
Nope.
Yes. So we're going to start out by doing the distributive property. Y'all remember the distributive property? You got to share that 2 with everything inside the parentheses. So we have 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to x minus 5. Alright, now we need to put all our variables on one side and our constants on the other side. So I'm going to move this x that's on the right hand side, move it to the left hand side. And I'm going to do the inverse operation. Right now the x is positive. Don't look at the sign behind the x, look at the sign in front of the x. And you don't see a sign. There's nothing there. So if it's nothing there, that means it is positive. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides of the equation. Oh, no. Both sides of the inequality.
What?
You got to get that terminology right. So 2x minus x or 2x minus 1x is going to get me just x. And I get plus 4 here, less than or equal to negative 5. So now let's subtract 4 from both sides of our inequality. Now we're going to do that. And we get another 0 pair. And x is going to be less than negative 9. So what does it look like on a graph? A number line. If I had to. If you were asked to draw this, okay? If you were asked to do this, let's see. A lot of people don't know where to put numbers on a number line. I know. I was, wow.
Mommy.
Because some folks, it really is kind of hard if you don't remember. But I think what you have to remember is that going left is negative and going right is positive.
I don't know that.
You know it tonight, honey.
Crispy.
So let me erase this because I should have made this a little bit longer. Not gonna make it too long.
After me because it's only thing on there.
That's okay. It's okay. Cause one day somebody gonna be like, "Hey, I really do need some help. You think Miss Taylor gonna go live, and I might be able to help somebody out? This is gonna help somebody."
Do you have a test?
Huh? Somebody's gonna really be like, I need some help. And they're gonna remember, oh, that lady went live.
It's the best. What?
My line's not long enough. Look, Kenise. I'm not long enough.
I love this.
That's That's okay.
I gotta love this.
Let me erase a little bit so I can have a little bit more room. It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, wow. Can you see?
Oh, that's the wrong
It's
color.
dark.
Oh, I need the right color. What color do we have? We gotta match that up. So this is -7, 8, and -9. So
Does anyone have a question?
we have,
Anyone have a question? Check comment.
I don't know. Anyway, let me check.
Cause you messed up on you.
No, no one has a question.
Can someone say hi, please? I really feel lonely.
It's okay.
Even
It's
she's
okay.
here doing math.
How long we been online? Been doing math for 35 minutes.
That's too long.
That's not long. That's not long enough. So let's talk about this.
Thanks.
Let's talk about this. Kanice, remember. Look. We have 4 different symbols when we're working with the inequalities. We have
1, 2, 3, 4.
less than. No, I'm telling you, this is less than,
Equal.
and this is greater.
than.
Oh, look at you.
Oh,
Okay. And then we have less than or equal to,
God.
and that goes like this. Oh, you didn't know that one, huh?
Nope.
Greater than
No.
or equal to.
Stop saying that.
Well, that's what you're supposed to say.
What was it? It's blurry.
You know, I think it went blurry. I don't know why it went blurry.
Come on, I'm trying to phone with you. But technically, I'm not having fun because you.
Well, I'm sorry, hon.
Mm.
Okay, so look at this, Kanice. Look.
Look.
This symbol right here.
That's less than.
This one here, the
Less
one I'm
than.
circling.
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. So if it's less than or equal to, or if it's greater than or equal to, when you put it on the graph, you gotta put a circle on that number and you gotta shade it in.
I feel like you're teaching me math instead of them.
Oh my goodness. And then over here, if it's less than or greater than, you're gonna put this in open circle.
Let's open circle.
Let me erase it. Let's make it look good. We will
Yeah,
put
blur here, so yeah, it goes good.
an open circle. So that's the wrong color.
Can I do it?
Open. So this is the open circle.
When can I do it?
Okay?
When can
And this
I?
one is the closed circle.
It's still zoom.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a closed circle on the -9. Let's make it a different color. And then it says that the x values are less than, and I need to shade to the left. And that is your answer on the number line.
What's the answer?
You know what else about this? Sometimes they want you to put your answer in set builder notation. How many of y'all remember set builder notation?
What was that?
Set builder notation. Set builder notation. Somebody seen this on the test and be like, is that what that is? Yes, that's what it is. So set builder notation. I forgot how to, I don't know what these are called. But a set of all x's such that, that line means such that x is less than or equal to -9.
Yeah.
Boom.
It's
Set
blurry.
builder. I don't know what's going on.
Person. Facebook.
I wonder if it looks blurry. Let me see. Let's see. Let's go on Facebook on my page.
I don't want to see. No, I want to see it.
Oh, it does look blurry still. I don't know how to correct that. I don't know how to correct that.
How do I slow it? Don't miss
You think it's gonna clear up? I hope it clears up. I'm
it.
gonna have to end this.
know.
Oh, please
But
clear
I
up.
don't want to see it, so...
Okay.
I want you to comment.
I don't know what to do.
What are
about
these?
that.
What are these?
What is what? I don't know.
What do I comment?
Well, Sierra commented, so I mean, I do have a
Can I
comment. It's over here.
Can I press it?
No, you can't. I don't know. Look, I don't know what I really do. I just know how to do math. Somebody need to help me. Why is it blurry? Does anybody know?
Facebook! Can you help me?
So, I'll stay on here for another 20 minutes. I'm gonna commit a whole hour. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna stay for 1 minute. I'm gonna stay for 1 hour. Just kidding.
I have to stay for 1 hour.
Wait, you just said it. Like, what? I don't know how to do it.
I mean, if I have to stay for an hour, I'll do it.
Yeah?
I would do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, girl. Stay on for an hour just for my people. I'm telling you, it's somebody out there in Facebook world that needs some help with some math. I know this. I know you need some help. It's that look. If you a teacher, you gotta take that general knowledge math sub test. I got you.
You are a teacher.
No, but these are some teachers who need help. If you need help with that math, you know you know who you are. You know who you are. Okay, let's see. Am I still alive? Let's see if I go to another page. If it'll clear up. I hope it clears up, because that's the worst thing, to be looking at some blurry math.
That's the bad thing.
Okay,
It want
so
to go back. It want to go to the next step.
I don't know how to make that not happen.
Right.
I'm so sorry, y'all, that it's blurry. I don't know how to make it not blurry.
That's Daddy Pet person. Where are they to do things?
Let's see here. I don't know. Maybe because I switched over one time and did it like this.
Oh, interrupted. But wait, how many more? You know what? I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh wait, only your followers. Wait, can I come into this must have account?
I look at this. How long can you stay on here? I can't stay on here anymore.
How do you not make it blurry?
I know. Look on Google. And say, "How do you Facebook like that go blurry?"
Oh, this sucks.
Can I use my comment?
I don't know what to do. But hey, I'm on YouTube. Go subscribe to my channel.
And you go live there. You can go live there now, right? Me next time go live on YouTube. I know she don't like me.
Let's do some more math. Maybe it'll clear up.
Yeah.
Maybe it's begging for some math and it wants me to do the math.
No. It's saying not to do math.
It's saying do the math.
No, Mom.
Do the math. Do the
No.
math. Let's do
No,
the doggone
that's
thing.
too much.
Let's switch colors because I don't like that no more.
And what's pink color? Ew.
Let's do some forest green.
Gross.
-3 less than or equal to 2. X minus 1 less than or equal to 5. So this is a compound inequality. Let's talk about that. Compound inequality. I'm so sorry it's blurry out. So what I need to do is, oh, and this is, which compound inequality is it? It's an and.
I'm going to go out here.
This is the and, so I need to add 1 to both sides over here. I'm going to do this problem 2 different ways. And I'm going to show you still get the same answer. So you get -2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 6. And then we're going to divide this 2 over here and over here. And you get -1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Now, if I did build a notation for that, that's the set of all values for x such that -1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Alright, so there's like 2 ways to write your answer. Okay. Then if I was to graph this one on the number line, I have 0 here, put -1 here, then 1, 2, 3. And then because they're less than or equal to, they both have closed circles. So I could put a closed circle on the -1 and a closed circle on the 3. And so if you read this correctly, it's the -1 values are less than x. So I need to shade to the right over here because the -1 is going to be less than x. Okay? And then over here, the x is going to be less than -3. Well, then 3, that means 3 is bigger than x. So I'm going to shade to the left. And the only values that are true are the only values that work for both inequalities are the ones that are located between -1 and 3. And -1 and 3 work for the inequality as well. So yeah. So the other way to do this problem, because some students find this confusing, is it's written like this at first. You can separate this out just to make it look easier. -3 less than or equal to 2x minus 1. And then on this side, we have and 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 5. So I'll go ahead and keep solving this one here. And you have +1, and you have 2x is less than or equal to 6. And then you're going to divide both sides by 2. X is less than or equal to 3. Over on this side here, I add 1 to both sides. And it's going to be -2 less than or equal to 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides of your inequality. And you have x is going to be greater than or equal to -1, which is basically the same thing you've done before. So I guess I need to end because I don't know how to make this not blurry.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, we're sorry. So, but we'll do this again. It's been great. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah. We'll do this again. If you need some math help, hit me up on my Facebook page. And I can help you, your family members, your cousin them, your mama them, your brother them, all of them. All right. Talk to y'all later. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta.